Hey guys, this is Sean, the M2 designer, and today we're going to go over and look inside the upcoming M2 164 scale MOONEYES release, and this is a Walmart exclusive. Again, this is only found at Walmart stores. And so let's take a closer look, shall we? Okay guys, the first car we're going to look at is the 1957 Chevrolet Sedan delivery, and this one's really cool. It's got the it's a white body. It's not bright white. It's more of a kind of just, you know, a normal white or off-white. And then the black roof, and it has the old MOONEYES Equipment Company, and then it has the address and location there in Santa Fe Springs in the door right there. And then you get the MOONEYES Equipment logo right there. Then even on the back, we got the cool sticker on the back, and then the Go With Moon. And real quick, what's cool about this one, this is a sedan delivery. So this is basically kind of a station wagon, but it has no windows on the side right here. And also the delivery has the cheaper chrome strip, just a single piece, doesn't have any kind of a piece that goes up right here, or the sometimes you'll see in the 57 Chevys, the Bel Air or the 210, where it splits out and you can have the filler on the quarter panel. And also what's really cool too about sedan deliveries, they're not a Bel Air, so the grill is just chrome. It's not gold like a Bel Air. Pardon me. And also too, you don't have this is a special bumper. It doesn't have the Dagmars or the rubber bullets right here. You can Google Dagmar, by the way, and see what that's a reference to. We'll keep that PG on this one. And then the MOONEYES Moon Disc hubcaps right there. And then this one's also, since it's a sedan delivery, it's not really concerned about performance, so it's got the inline Blue Flame 6-cylinder engine, and it's a 235 engine, and it's just a little workhorse engine. Okay guys, so now we got the doors open, and you can see inside, this one has the kind of rare bucket seat, especially for 1957. Bucket seats weren't really a performance option back then in the 50s. Only basically European sports cars or Corvettes by this year, and not even some Thunderbirds. I think most of the Thunderbirds were bench seats. But anyway, bucket seats mainly for just the driver. Sometimes you can order these sedan deliveries, and you can also, the passenger seat was an option. You didn't care, you just were a delivery vehicle. So you just threw as much parts and pieces in, and away you went. So that's what's kind of really cool about this particular model. Again, that's the 1957 Chevrolet Sedan delivery, and this is part of the MOONEYES set. Next up is the 1965 Ford Econoline van, and this one is a really cool one. Well, they're all cool, but this one, the paint job, you got to take it outside. This is a heavy, a bright yellow, heavy metallic. This has got a lot of metallic. I don't know if the camera is picking up on that, but there's quite a bit of metallic, and you take this out into the sun and turn it around in all the different angles, and this got to dance and sparkle for you. And I believe this is one of the first times we're using this cool MOONEYES We Love the Good Old USA logo, and it's just right across the van, as big as we can get. And we got the MOONEYES silver logo right here, and we got the up on the top, Go With Moon. And it's also riding on the lowered chassis. It's got chrome bumpers, and it also has white wall tires with the moon disc caps. And it's just a really cool piece. Again, the heavy metallic is what makes this one. The yellow paint, it's just awesome. That's the 1965 Ford Econoline van. Next up is our 1970 Chevrolet C60 truck, and this is two-toned, bright yellow with a white middle and a white roof. And you can see all the MOONEYES graphics. It's got the chrome rims with Goodyear tires, black interior, and it's got the custom bed. They never came from the factory with this particular bed. We just made a custom because the cab is such a cool cab, And so we just made a long bed from the regular C10s, C20s, and 30s trucks, and we mimic the same fender flare that they have on the front, and it just works. It's just a beautiful truck altogether. Again, that's 1970 Chevrolet C60 truck. Here's the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 440 six-pack, and this one's done as a kind of a drag car. You see the yellow sides and the white center with the black stripe and the black roof, and even the glass is tinted clear yellow. And here's the 440 six-pack engine. And let's see, this one, let's see, put this right here. This one has the bench seat interior. So it's a drag car, so it's probably 4-speed, and the bench seat is the lighter of the two. You don't want to have bucket seats that'll make any difference going straight in a quarter mile. And you can even see the rims are set up for kind of a drag race. There's the skinny chrome 5-spokes in the front, the Goodyear tires, and then they got the Goodyear slicks. There's drag slicks in the back, kind of like a cheater slick with a bright yellow steel rim. So it's got the two rims, and that was popular back in the day. This is not an error or a variation, guys. This is not a screw-up. We did this on purpose. This was designed this way. So just in case you were wondering, this is how things were done back in the day. You had the lighter chrome, aluminum, or magnesium wheel up in the front to save some weight, and then in the back you had the steel wheel, just the heavy-duty regular steel wheel, and you had the drag slick on the back. A lot of times for the slick, you would screw in the studs. That you would take on the steel wheel, you would take in screws to hold on to the slick from slipping, because there's a lot of horsepower going down to the slick and just make contact on that sticky quarter-mile surface. So a lot of cool things that we do here at M2 that a lot of other companies don't do. There you go. That's the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 440 six-pack. And this is a cool one too. I mean, the VWs in general are just cool, but this one, it's a 1960 VW double cab truck, and this one's dropped. It's on the lower chassis and it has low profile rims. These are the VW centerline wheels that are blacked out. The bumpers are blacked out as well. And this one has the MOONEYES Area 1 Yokohama, Japan logo. I believe this is one of the first times we're using this logo as well. It's on the roof real big, and it's also on the back, just behind the doors. And the body is bright yellow with a gloss black middle section. And also too, if you're wondering about the frames in the back, this is basically the framework, or the bows, if you will, of the canvas top. So when I was researching and getting into the VWs for our cars, I saw going to a lot of car shows. I saw a lot of these like work in progress type of vehicles that had these canvas bows up without the canvas, and they would go to the shows and stuff. I just thought it was a really cool look, and so I wanted that as an option for our cars. So that's where that comes from. Again, this is a cool 1960 VW double cab pickup for the MOONEYES set. Okay guys, the last regular car in the set is our custom 1949 Mercury Coupe, and this one's got the chop top and it's lowered, and it's got a lot of work done to it. And this one's wearing our beautiful blue satin paint job, and you can see these flames. I just love our flames. They are so nice and delicate and to scale. The factory does a fantastic job on taking the artwork and just making them nice and thin and just realistic. The flames are bright white with a yellow pinstripe, and they just look so good over that satin blue. You can see the headlights and the glass inside the car is clear yellow, and the interior is black with white inserts. You can see right here on the flames the cool MOONEYES logo. You can see the eyes are facing forward on the passenger side, as well as the driver's side facing forward. And then on the back you got the Moon Equipment logo. And the car rides on chrome moon disc caps and full white walls. Again, look at those gorgeous flames. Their combination, this particular flame job, we have two flame jobs for this 49 Merc so far. This one kind of has the both scallops, the long lines, and then also flames inside those lines. So this one's kind of a double. Got both scallops and flames. Okay guys, here's the first chase car. It's the 1970 Chevrolet C60 truck. And this one, basically what makes it the chase car is the bright yellow chrome work. So the bumpers, the rims are bright chrome now. You can see the rear bumper, it's bright yellow chrome, I should say. So you can see the yellow chrome or gold. But I think we were trying more for a yellow on this one. And then the interior is also yellow. And this particular one, this is the regular chase car. This one's limited to 750 pieces worldwide. I'll turn that around for you. There you go. Okay guys, and this is the second regular chase car. It's the 1960 VW double cab pickup. And what makes it the chase is the chrome pieces, the chrome bumpers, even the headlights right here. They're gold chrome yellow, or yellow chrome? Yellow chrome. Let's stick with yellow chrome. And even the rims are yellow chrome. And you can see the back bumper as well. And then also the interior, I don't know if you can catch that, is now yellow. And this is limited to only 750 pieces worldwide. And finally, we have the Super Chase. This one's limited to 250 pieces worldwide, and this one is our 1949 Mercury Custom. And in this one, you could tell the body is raw. There's no paint on it. It's bare metal, but it has a clear coat. And it has the same beautiful scallop flame job as the regular one. But then this one, like I mentioned, is raw. So you see the bare metal with the white flames and the yellow pinstripe. And also all the gold pieces are now yellow chrome. As far as the grille, see the grille, the headlight trim, the bumpers, the rims, or not the rims, but the moon disc caps, they're all gold or yellow chrome rather. And even the rear bumper. And the interior is yellow now as well. Again, this is the Super Chase, only 250 pieces worldwide. So good luck. Well, there you have it, guys. This is, again, this is a Walmart exclusive. It's a 1/64 scale M2 machines release. It's the MOONEYES set, and again, only available at Walmart. And please, if you like these videos, click on the link below and like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.